Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to see who follows you on Snapchat. So for that, you have to just simply open up Snapchat application on your mobile phone. So I'm just opening up the Snapchat application. So after coming to Snapchat application, now you have to just simply tap on the top left corner of your profile icon. So after tapping on your profile, you guys can see your profile will be opened here. And what you have to do is just simply click on my public profile. So after tapping on my public profile, now what you have to do is you guys can see here it is displaying as 129 followers. So how you can see who follows you? So you have to simply tap on that and you guys can see there is nothing. So what you have to do is just simply go back, and after going back you have to simply scroll down, and here in the my friends section you have to simply tap on my friends, and here it will provide you list of all of the friends or all of the person which you follows you and they also followed you back. So here are not those friends, not those persons which are which just follows you. For that you have to simply go back and simply tap on add friends, which is here. So after tapping on that, you guys can see here are the two people which follows you and we didn't follow back them. So you guys can just simply tap on accept to accept the request, or you guys can just simply tap on the cross button to reject. So I'm just tapping on accept to accept it. So you guys can see, and here are the list of all the quick add or all of the related to your phone number. So here it will provide you a list of all recommendation system, and here are the lots of your friends or mutual friends. So you guys can also add some of the people, but these are not your friend. They doesn't follow you, and as well as you doesn't follow them. So you guys can just simply follow them by just tapping on add button. And I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.